Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ramon Torres, the educator at School Your Brain. And I'm going to dedicate this next song for you. It's called How to Create Personalized Comments in a Mail Merge for Parents. Take it away, educator. In this follow-up video, I'm going to show you how to create personalized comments. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete these so we can start from scratch. And what I'm going to do now is double click this cell here, and the first thing you're going to do is click the equal sign. So type in the equal sign, and you're going to put in the word if, followed by an open parenthesis, and you can see here that it's looking for the code that you're trying to type in. So in this case, they're asking for a logical expression. All that means is what's the condition we're going to use. I'm going to use the column F, which is the grades. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this cell right here, and you can see F2 is highlighted, so that's saying that we're looking at this cell, and I want to look at a passing score. So in my case, it's going to be a 60 or higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the greater than or equal to sign, and then 60 followed by a comma. So that's a condition. I want the scores that are greater than or equal to 60, so passing scores. And then now, since I put the comma, you can see that now what's highlighted is here, value if true. And all that is asking for is if you have a student whose score is greater than or equal to 60, what do you want it to say? Whatever you want it to say, you just have to type it in quotation marks. So I'll put a quote there, a quotation mark, and then you're going to put in whatever you want it to say. So in this case, I want it to say, if it's true that they do have a passing score, I'm going to say, yay. Actually, I'm going to put a little exclamation mark there and close it up. So whatever's in between those quotes, or whatever's in between the quotation marks, that's what's going to be displayed. Then you're going to hit the comma, and you can see now the next part is highlighted, value if false. So they're saying, okay, if a student does not meet this condition, in other words, their score is not greater than or equal to 60, what do you want it to say? And I repeat the process. So in quotation marks, I'm going to put, wah, so sad. Close it up with another quotation mark. And then the last step is to put a close parenthesis. And that's it. And I hit enter. And you can see this person, in this case SpongeBob, had a score less than 60. So he gets the comment, wah. And then I'm not going to, double click and retype that code for every single student. We're not going to do that. We're going to save some time. So what you do is click on the cell, and I want to copy whatever code I typed in here. I want to copy it. So I'm going to go to this corner, click and drag to the last score here, which is a 42. Now I let go, and you can see it automatically creates all the comments that I wanted. And you can see that the students, there's only two students that are scores that's less than 60. It's a 50 and a 42. That's why those are only two that got the comment wah. And everybody else got a 60 or higher, and that's why they get the yays. Maybe it's borderline. If it's a 60, it's probably not really a yay. And there's actually other conditions you can do, but it's more advanced, so we're not going to look at that right now. But just to give you an idea of how to create simple comments, so you can customize your emails. And that's pretty much it. And whenever you create a mail merge, just another little tip is, when you create your mail merge, it's gonna call whatever's in this. In other words, the heading in your mail merge is gonna say, okay, do you want to insert the comment or the grade for your personalized email? So to make it easier when you're writing your sentences, you could put down, I found to make it easier for me is when I'm writing my sentences in my mail merge, I could put the actual comment that's gonna be displayed. So wah slash yay. That way I know that that's the two comments that is going to come out when I put the code for this column. And that's pretty much it. And you can see that, like for instance, if I go and update a kid's score, let's say I put let's put a 59, you can see automatically this is going to change. So I think this is pretty cool. It saves a lot of time, personalized comments, and that's pretty much it. So if you liked the video, you already know what to do. Please subscribe, share this with another teacher, help them out. And that's pretty much it. Have a good day.